Okay guys, now I would like to speak about dictionary. What does it mean, dictionary? Dictionary is another data type. So which data type we know in Python? String, for example, it's a text, integer, whole number, float, decimal number, boolean, true and false, list, and now we will speak about dictionary. So it's another data type. What does it mean? So for example, we spoke about list, correct? So if there will be a list and it will be called student, so for example I put here Harry Potter 18, okay? But it's correct, you can use it like this, so you can use a list to store these values. But the question is, do you know exactly what these values are? For example, Harry, what is it? I think it's a first name, correct? It's the first name of the student, I think. Potter is the second name or the last name of the student, correct? But the problem is what 18 is. Is it age? Is it identification number? Or what is it? So you don't know. And if you would like to know, you can use another data type. So it's called dictionary. So I will write student, but dictionary has another brackets like this, okay? These brackets here, you can see they are for list, and dictionary has these curly brackets, these curly brackets. So it means I will comment it out, and we will create our first dictionary. Dictionary means there are always a key value pair. So it means, for example, the key will be the first name and the value will be Harry. Another second name and the value will be Potter, comma. And here it will be age and the value will be 18. So it means it's key value pair, key value pair, key value pair, okay? So anytime there is a key and value, perfect. So this is dictionary, and you can be sure now that 18 is age, correct? Because we know exactly what is it, because the values, they have a keys, or we can say some description, like Harry, and his description is first name, Potter, its description is a second name, and so on and so on. So, and here I would recommend to put a comma as well. So it's only for case if you would like to add something to the student, for example, I don't know, gender. So you have to put here the comma, and people usually forget, okay? So if you would write something like this, it's incorrect, it's wrong. So if you put a comma here like this, it's better, because if you need to add something, you don't have to think, oh, okay, I have to put a comma there. So try to get used to write a comma after the last key value pair. Okay, it's better. So now I would like to work with the dictionary. So how can I reach the values? If I will print student, so it means I would like to print the whole dictionary. It will goes like this. You can see here, we can see the whole dictionary. Okay, but if I would like to work with this, with the Harry value, so it means with the first name, you need to put here these brackets. I know it's maybe confusing, because here you have these brackets, the curly brackets, and here you have a different type, okay? Oh, we need to know about that. So I would like to write the first name, so it means go to the student and take the first name, so it is Harry, and print it. I will run it, and you can see Harry is here. Okay, perfect. And you can do the same for the second name and for the age, like this. Okay, student, second name, student, age. So you use the keys to reach the values. Okay, you use keys to reach the values. Okay, run it. Harry Potter 18. Oh, that's perfect. We spoke about it, that if you have a list, there are some indexes, correct? So Harry has an index 0, Potter has an index 1, 18 has an index 2, and it's automatically, okay? But you can use this concept in dictionary as well, so if you want, of course. So for example, I would like to write something like IT dictionary. So it means, for example, number 0 can be string, comma. Number 1 can be integer, it's a whole number. Number 2 will be float, for example, comma. And number 3 will be boolean, comma. This is key, this is value, key, value, and so on and so on. So it means if you want these keys, it doesn't have to be a string. It can be a number if you want. It's completely up to you guys. So if I will print it, so I will print IT dictionary, again these brackets, and the key. So for example 0, so it means it print string. You can run it, string, perfect. So I can print out 1, 2, 3. So it means all keys 1, 2, 3. Oh, 0, 1, 2, 3. We can see string, integer, float, boolean. Perfect. That's exactly what we expected. So this is a dictionary. So dictionary usually keys are strings, but in this example I just want to show you that the keys can be numbers as well.